Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Volkswagen Passat 1.8T SEL Premium. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power folding heated signal mirrors, chrome trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch Chattanooga alloy wheels, all-season tires, rain-detecting wipers with heated jets, fully automatic headlamps, fog lights, and a turbocharged 4-cylinder with only 44,210 miles. Parking sensors, large LED brake lights, the shark fin antenna, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable heated back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated Vienna leather bucket seats with driver memory, selective internet, a push button start, distance pacing, a garage opener, a tracking system, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.